Hello, guys. I hope you're all doing well again, and I just want to be with you in now how we can create a meeting using Microsoft Teams. How we can just create a meeting, how we can just join a meeting using Microsoft Teams. Yeah, Microsoft Teams is an app of Microsoft. It is one of the apps of Microsoft. It can be downloaded also on the Play Store, and you can just use it as an app. You can download it on Google for PC. Once you want to install it in your computer, you can just type Microsoft Teams in Google search and download it and install it as software. You can also use it in your mobile phones by just download it in Play Store or App Store, depending on the phone that you are using. But once you want to get it or to reach Microsoft Teams using Microsoft Teams or Microsoft Office 365, you just click in Office or you type 3Ws www.office.com and you place enter just to access the Microsoft Teams app in Microsoft Office 365. Once you click on the nine dot, here on the nine dot, you just immediately find that there is an app of Microsoft Teams. You go Microsoft Teams once you click here. By clicking here, you see here there is an app of Microsoft Office 365, which is Teams. Yeah, this is Teams, also known as Microsoft Teams. It can be used for doing many things, but some of them is to create a meeting. Once you have a meeting with your fellows, you can create it using Teams. Once you want to create classes for your students, yeah, for the professionals, there is also you can create teams for your professionals. You can call your fellows using Microsoft Teams, and you can also access these teams as a downloaded app. Yeah, to access it as a downloaded app, let me just click on this installed one. Yeah, I have an installed one. It is here. You see it. Once you go to download it, just you pick the icon like this one. Here it is. Yeah, this is Microsoft Teams. You see it here. This is how it looks like once you go to download it in your Play Store for your mobile phones or App Store or Google. When you Google once you just want to download it and install it for your computer and use this as an installed app. You can click here on installed app Microsoft Teams and it opens like this. You see we have activities. You see we have activities here. We have chat. You can chat with your fellows, your friends. Yeah, these are here there is teams. You see different teams that I belong to. Yeah, here for assignments. Once it is a group assignment that you want to assign to your students, here there is a calendar. You see calendar. Here you can yeah, there is call. You can also make a call, and we'll see later how we can call other people using Microsoft Teams. Here there is files. There is shared files. Yeah, shared with you, shared with other people, and here you can also access some apps related to Teams. Now, today I want to show you how to create a meeting using Microsoft Teams. To create a meeting using Microsoft Teams, you just open your Teams, your software Teams, Microsoft Teams, as I did, and you click. on calendar. You see the calendar here. You click on calendar to create a meeting. Yeah, you see it here, calendar, and you come and click on the calendar, and just calendar opens. You see how it looks like. There is a date, there is days, and there is you can see them here. You see this is today our calendar. We are in January 2022. Yeah, and today it is 24. It is 25. It is 25. Yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. You can see them. And now what you want, yeah, these are created meetings. Now you want just to create your own meeting. You just want to host a meeting. You just want to give your people a link to join the meeting. And to do that, you click here on the new meeting. You click on new meeting. You just click on new meeting because you just want to create your own meeting. Yeah, to create your own meeting, you just click on the calendar and make sure you have already installed the Teams in your computer or on your mobile phone, on your tablet. After installing it, you just open it by double clicking on it and open the app, and then you click on the calendar. You just want to schedule a meeting. You click on the calendar and just you click new meeting. You have seen it. And after clicking on new meeting, the meeting that you want to create, it will open with this interface, and you just here have you have where to put the title of the meeting. Your meeting uh, must have a title. You see here there is add required attendees. You pay attention here because yeah, this step is optional. You just can't open the meeting once you don't have any attendee. You must just add attendees to it. Can be one, yeah, two, three, but it is optional. Once there is no attendee, the meeting is saved, but you cannot send the meeting to your fellows or to your group where that you want to meet. Yeah, and here let's, for example, add a title. Yeah, for example, let's say, yeah, let's call it yeah, Sunday, yeah, Sunday meeting, Sunday meeting, or you can call it whatever, depending on what you want to just to tell your people. It can be maybe the meeting from your job meeting. It can be a group meeting. It can be wedding preparation meeting. You can just type different titles depending on what just you want to do with your people. And after just to give a meeting, you meeting a name, you just go to the next step where there is where we add attendees. And this step is optional. You can't jump it. Once you jump it, here the meeting will be saved, but you will not get the link to give to your people here for attending the meeting. So to make your meeting creation successful, you need to add one attendee, and it must be also having an account, a Microsoft account, to just be added to this meeting. Let me, for example, add someone. Let me search. Once I type someone, you can just get someone you see. Yeah, for example, now the meeting can take place because it can be successful because there is one attendee. I can keep adding more attendees, but one is enough. Others will be joining using the shared link. Yeah, and here the step number 3, you see there is date. This is 25 January. There is a time when you want to start. Yeah, there is where you just to put when you want the meeting to take an end, and even the time. And here you see the duration. Here there is the duration of the meeting. Depending on what you have selected here, it will count in minutes. And here, if you want the meeting to take place every day, once you want to receive a notification every day, all days, you just click here and make it on to all days. And just let's, for example, schedule the meeting. We are on 25 January 2022, and this is the time right now. And when do you want your meeting to end? Maybe I just want it to end just by tomorrow. Yeah, you choose the date. Maybe you can say I would just want it to end. Uh, yeah, I just want it to end. Maybe you see. Yeah, let's take for example. You see 25 or also 25. Let me keep it, but I change the time. You see, once I say uh, now this 7. Yeah, let me take 20. Yeah, you see it now counts to 2 hours 30 minutes. You just want your meeting to take place all days. If yes, you just tick here. If no, you just do like this. Yeah, now you just want your meeting to repeat this day. You see, every week, yeah, every weekday, Monday to Friday, you just want your meeting to lead to have a repeat daily, weekly, monthly, yearly, and you can also custom, and you just pick some days. Yeah, and once you see here, there is where you can add a channel. If you have another channel from Teams, we will be seeing how to create channels or how to add channels. But once you have a channel here, you just click here to add your channel and the location if it is necessary. But if there is no other channel you want to add, if you don't need to add location, there is no need. If there is no channel you want to add, there is no need. You see here there is the channels that I belong to. You can choose one, but if the meeting is not related to what you discuss in your channels, there is no need. And here there is a body where you can type the meeting details. The meeting details like agenda, you can just type here the meeting details, and you can bold, you can italicize, you can just underline, and here you can just highlight any color, you can do whatever, you can numbering. Yeah, you see. Yeah, this is the meeting agenda. You can just add 1, 2, 3, depending. You can say what you will be discussing about in this meeting. You just have to add more if there are. You just add, and add more if there are many things to discuss about this agenda. And once you are done filling all those steps, you are now just you're free to go on the next step where you click on send. You can click on send. Once there is no attendee, you will not be able to see send. And once send is done, the meeting will be automatically created. But once there is no attendee, let me remove this one. You cannot see send here. There will be save. No send. There is, you see it changes to save. But once there is attendee, which is here optional, when there is an attendee, immediately it changes to send. And now I'm done by creating this by filling all the color all the steps. Now I can click on send to see how it will look like my meeting. You see, I called here, it is the created meeting. You see now I am done by with creating the meeting. You see it here. Yeah, let me do like this. You see the created meeting. It is here. Yeah, you see it. The title of the meeting is Sunday meeting, and this is the name of the creator of the meeting. Yeah, now to just give the link to your participants. You come and click in the meeting. Maybe you can even close. Maybe it's not the time to give the link. You can even close here the Teams, and you just once you open the app and come back and click on the calendar, you will see you created meeting, and you click on the meeting where it is, depending on the date you set it. And now here you can just see you can immediately join the meeting. You can immediately copy. You can also copy the link. The link is copied here. It's copied from here. You see, you click here to just copy the link, and you just also can click on join to join immediately the meeting. It means as the owner, as the creator of the meeting, you can join the meeting by clicking on the calendar and on the meeting, and then you join. You can also join the meeting by clicking on the link that you have been shared to your participant, your meeting participant. And just once you want to copy the link, you immediately click here and you copy the link. And as you have seen, some links are very long, and to just to shorten them, let me click on bitly.com to see how long it is. Yeah, how long it is. But to shorten the link, you click on bitly.com. You have, I think you now use it because I always tell you how to shorten the link in my videos. You click on just on paste or Control V to paste. You see how long it is, and you just need to shorten this link. You click on create and to see how short it will be. You see, and you copy the link, yeah, to send it to your fellow to the participant. You maybe they are your friends that you want to meet. You are just going to prepare a wedding of somebody. You are just going to teach. You can even teach using this meeting. You can invite people and they join, and then after joining, they'll be uh, they'll be asked to join the meeting using the link that you have created, and then after you allow your participant to join the meeting. Yeah, let me for example share the link to somebody to see how to join the meeting, how to join this meeting. Yeah, let me just send it. Let me send to see how to look like. You can click here, and yeah, this is the meeting that I created. I can click on join, yeah, to see how the joining will be. Yeah, those people who are going to click on the link will see it like this. Once you are using your computer, yeah, just you see it like this. Yeah, this is how it will look like before entering in the meeting. You see there is things that you have to take care of. Yeah, this the sound, the background, the what and what you the camera. You have to turn off your camera. You make sure your camera is turned off. You see how here it looks like your camera is turned off. You turn just off the audio You have to not just to you have to not just uh, put your noise in the meeting. Maybe there are already participant in the meeting, and once your camera is off and the sound the audio, the sound is off, immediately you click join. You click join the meeting, and you see it is connecting. And once connecting is done, I'll be in the meeting room. You see, waiting other people, waiting for others to join. I'm waiting them to join. If somebody join immediately, I will see the picture here. If there is no picture on his teams, on the team on the profile picture on his team, I only see the names, the writers starting his names or names. If it's called, for example, Uwimana Donat, I will see UD if there is no profile picture. And once you are in the meeting, here there are things that you have to take care of. Make sure your camera is off. Here you see there is a close in the camera, it is off. And you make sure the audio is off. I can also click, yeah, your mine is not off, means once there are people inside my meeting, they can hear what I'm saying. And you make sure that the two, principally the two, must be off, and you just mute and just turn the camera on if it is necessary, only when it is necessary, because maybe people in the meeting don't want to see your location where where you are sitting and what you are doing. And don't just allow your kids to play with the camera, because sometimes they can just see you sitting in your bed, just flowing the meeting, and you are in your bed. Once the camera is turned on, everybody in the meeting will see you, will see where you are in your room. Yeah, so you make sure the camera is off. Turn it on once it is necessary. And once you want to leave the meeting, you click here. Some of you knows how you to leave the meeting. Yeah, this is where you click once you want to put the hands, just to, maybe you want to applause, maybe you just want to put the emojis where you are laughing. Maybe you want to surprise people. Yeah, now you are surprised, and here just click here once you like what maybe somebody in the meeting is saying. And this is hard once you are, maybe you are loving what people are doing in the meeting, or what maybe it's the presentation, you just like how the presentation has been conducted. And this is where you click once want to raise the hand. There is also the shortcut, you control shift and K, control shift plus K. You click there and you immediately raise the hand. Everybody in the meeting will see that you have raised your hand. Once you click on this hand, everybody in the meeting will see that somebody have raised the meeting. Unfortunately, I'm alone in the meeting, but next time I will you do it, you will see people joining. And you make sure your network is very good. Once the network is not good, don't think people will hear what you are saying. And this is the chat room or show conversation, where you can click to chat with your people, to chat with the participants. You see, I'm alone in the meeting, but I can type. You see, you can type hello. Everybody in the meeting will see that somebody typed something in the chat room. And to type in the chat room, you also click on this icon or the message, and you just type something here. And after typing something, you click on enter to send. Yeah, this is how we create a meeting. This is how we behave once you are in the meeting. Once you want to share the screen in the meeting, this is here. You click. You see, yeah, this is the icon we click once just you want to share the screen. You see, this is up arrow. Yeah, this is up arrow. This is where we click once you want to share our screen to the participant. Share content. Click on it, and you want to show all the people in the meeting your screen. You see, you click here, you show them all the screen. You only show them the window, but better I choose the screen to show off all your screen. You see this yeah, this outside board which is LED, it is covering all the place where you are showing the people. Once you if you are presenting something, they will just see your screen. If it is a PowerPoint, everyone in the meeting will see what you are presenting, and once the presentation is done, you click here to stop presenting. You click here to stop presenting. You see I'm now back in the meeting, and people are no longer seeing my screen because I'm done with the presentation. Yeah, once you are the owner of the meeting, you can just click here to breakout rooms. This is where we click once you want to just put people in groups. This is where we click to put them in the groups. You can do it automatically or you can do it manually. Once you have maybe a big number of people in your meeting, when you give them the activities in groups, you can just break out rooms to put them in groups. And here there is where you choose the number of rooms you want to create. Here you can select how many number of rooms you want to create, 4, 5, 6, and so on. But if you don't want to break out rooms, you click on cancel to stay in one meeting. Yeah, and this leave is where this LED color leave. It's where we click once you want to leave the meeting. Maybe the meeting is yeah the meeting took an end and you just want to leave it. You click on leave, or yeah, also you want to leave the meeting. Maybe it does not take an end yet, but you want to leave it. You click on leave to just to to go away from the meeting. You just click leave. Once I click leave, I'll be out of the meeting. Yeah, and to see all participants. Yeah, remember this. To see all participants who are in the meeting, you click on those two people that are here and you click show participant. All participant in the meeting will be here. A list of participants will be here. You see everybody who is in the meeting, who is participating in the meeting. Yeah, dear friends, this is how to create a meeting using Microsoft Teams, and I hope everybody is going to try to do it at his own to see how to create meeting. You can just yeah take your fellows and you give them the link, you share the link to them, and they click to the link. You have seen how we have shortened the link, and they will just enter in the meeting. The people with the link, and maybe they don't want to yeah to type, they can just copy the link where we type the website, for example here, and paste it here, and paste it here. This is the link that I created for the meeting, and once you paste it here, you click in the enter. Let me first of all leave the meeting to see how I can just get inside the meeting again. You just click enter to join the meeting. You can even type the link in the browser, in any browser. Once you're using the computer, once you're using a phone, you type on the link and then to join the conversation or to join the meeting. They will ask you to open Microsoft Teams. If yes, you click open Microsoft Teams and you see it is going to load until I get in the meeting. You see, this is where I started. And everybody with the link, once you click, once you type the link in the browser and you type enter, or if he's using the phone, we immediately see this interface and just check if the camera is off. As I advised you, you check if the camera is off, and once your camera is off, you click you just click join, and once once you get back in the meeting, make sure once you get in the meeting that your camera is off. If it is not a meeting that requires people to show their faces where they are, and you make sure once you are already in the meeting that your audio is closed. Here you just mute yourself, and once you are given time to speak to the participant, you unmute. You click here again to unmute, and you just talk to the participant in the meeting. Dear friends, this is how we do. This is how we deal with the meeting in the Teams, in Microsoft Teams. And I hope you enjoy the video, and see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and we will see more videos. And you also remember to comment. I just want to see your suggestions, and that will help us to improve more and more. Yes, see you next time.